Hi and welcome to this little episode of the channel NTI Tools. My name is Peter Tranberger. I want to show you today how we use NTI Tools Revit to extract the sheet size of all sheets in a Revit model to be visualized in any sheet list in the project. So we'll start by using the parameter copy tool to create a task. Just call it sheet size, and in here I want to be able to put it into the sheets. This is the result that I'm going for putting information into my sheets, and I want to put it into a parameter, but I don't have the right parameter right now, so I'll press the new and add a shared parameter for that. So I have just put in a shared parameter, a text parameter called sheet size. Put that into here, and we'll put it into the dimension group like that, and make it instance. And I want it to be set on sheets. Okay, so now the sheet size is in the right results too, and what it should write is from the title block. I will collect that in this formula. I will say select available fields from the title block, and I'll find the sheet's height and the sheet width that we have here. So those two parameters is going to be a combination here. So we'll take the width first, and I'll do some manual text in here as well with the X, and then put in the height, and ended up with millimeters like that. So now I've created the task that I want to run. It runs on sheets. It puts value into the NTI sheet size parameter, and I wanted to write the sheet width x the sheet height in millimeters. And as I'm putting in together both numerical numbers and text, I want to convert the units to text. So I'll just run the task like that. Okay, so now my sheets have the NTI sheet size, and it has written down these values, and we are going to look at the sheet list and add the NTI sheet size as a field in the list, and I get all the different parameters here. Hope that you can use it.